Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Centennial Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get up to date. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a my100bank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Centennial Bank, you can see the login form page at the right panel. There you need to provide your online ID. Then you go in for providing your password. Once you provide both the details, that is your online ID and password, you simply click on sign in where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Centennial Bank. Just in case if you forgot your password of the online banking account of Centennial Bank, you need to click on the link given, that is forgot password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Centennial Bank. Thank you.